Hello everyone, welcome to Gogetmyguru. In this Python interview question series, you will learn about Python program to check Armstrong number. Before writing program, first we need to know which number is called as Armstrong number, right? So for example, we'll take number 407, which is entered by the user in output. Here, n is the total number of digits in the given number or user input number. Then the sum of the nth power of each digit is equal to the given number or user input number. That number is said to be an Armstrong number. Okay. Then according to the definition, in 407 number, how many digits we have? Total 3, right? Then 3 will be the nth power. So 4 cube is equal to 64 and 0 cube is equal to 0 and 7 cube is equal to 343. The total is 407. Here, sum of nth power of each digit is equal to the given number, right? Hence, that number is called as Armstrong number. Here, 407 is the Armstrong number. I hope you guys understood the meaning of Armstrong number. So next we'll start writing Python program to check Armstrong number in VS Code. First, we have to make user to enter the number in output. So we'll write user input is equal to in input enter the number. We'll run this to know whether it is working or not. In output it is asking enter the number. Okay. Then next what we have to do? We need to find the total number of digits in user input, right? We'll write length str user input. We'll store this value in variable called length of user input number. Here I have written length of str user input, right? Instead of writing length of user input. The problem is we can't find out the length of number directly. So we need to convert number into string. Then we can find out the length of string. If you write only length of user input, it will give an error in output. So here I'll enter number as 407. Here in output it is showing error, type error. Object of type int has no length function. To remove this error and to find length of user input number, first we'll convert the entered number as a string. Then we'll find out the length of the string. String length will get stored in variable called length of user input number. To check length of user input number, we'll write print function. In print function, we'll write length of user input number. And we'll run this code and we'll see what output we'll get. Here, we'll enter the number 407. 3 is the length of user input number. In print function, we'll add string, that is the length of user input number. So in output, you can understand clearly. Next, take variable called given number to store the user input number. Now, the value of given number and user input number is same. Then, what is the need of this given number variable? It will store the actual value of the number so that we can compare it with the result. But user input value may get changed in upcoming steps. Next, we'll take variable called result and we'll initialize with 0. After initializing the result variable as 0, then what is the next step? For example, we'll take number 407 which is given by the user in output. So length of user input number is 3 and here nth power is 3. You want to separate each digits, right, in 407 number. Along with you want to find sum of nth power of each digit also. Please subscribe to our channel to support us. To get last number or to extract last number, that is 7. In 407 number, you have to do mod operation. 407 mod 10 will give you the value 7. Mod operation always gives the remainder part. After extracting 7 from 407 number, you have to find out the cube value of 7. That is 343. 343 will be stored in variable called result. Then update the user input by 407 floor division by 10. Floor division, here it will give the only integer part. 40 is now new updated value of user input. Then again in iteration 2, do 40 mod 10, then you will get the answer 0. 0 will be the remainder. Then again perform 0 cube. The 0 cube is 0. Add with result. 0 cube is 0. So result value will remain same, that is 343. Then again update the user input. By doing 40 floor division 10 will give the answer 4. 4 mod 10 gives remainder as 4. Then 4 cube is 64. Then 64 will get add with the previous result value 343. 343 plus 64 will become in result 407 value is stored. Then again update the user input by doing floor division. Floor division by 10 gives 0 value. In result 407 value is stored. To do all these iterations we need loop, right? So here we'll write while condition is user input not equal to 0. Next what? Here user input is 407 which is not equal to 0. You need to extract 7 in 407 number. So do mod operation. User input mod 10 and store in variable called digit. Then make cube of the digit. Why I am telling cube means previous I have explained by taking example of 407 number. In 407 there are 3 digits. So write digit to the power of length of user input number and add with result and store in variable called one more result variable. And to update the value of user input, write user input floor division by 10 store in variable user input. So next you need to compare result with original number. For that you need to write if result is equal to given number, then print given number is an Armstrong number, else print given number is not an Armstrong number. Let's consider user will enter the number 407 in output. Then the length of user input number is 3. 407 will get stored in variable called given number. Initially the value of result variable will be 0. In while loop it will check that 407 number is not equal to 0. If it is not equal to 0, if condition is true, then control goes to the next statement to do mod operation. 407 mod 10 will give the value 7 and 7 cube of 7 will get add with the result variable and it will get stored in result. User input will become 40. Again it will go to the while loop and it will check the condition that 40 is not equal to 0. Yes, condition is true. Then controller goes to the next statement, that is mod operation. 40 mod 10 gives 0. The value of 0 cube is 0. It will get add with the older result value. Then user input value will become 4. 4 is not equal to 0. Again it will do mod operation and again it will find 4 cube. 4 cube value is 64. 64 will get add with the older result value 343. Then result is equal to 407. User input value is 0. Again it will go to the while loop. User input value will become 0. 0 is not equal to 0. Here condition false. Then it will come out of the while loop. Then controller goes to the next statement, that is if result is equal to given number. Here the result value is 407 which is equal to the given number, that is 407. Then it will print given number is an Armstrong number. If result is not equal to the given number, then it will print given number is not an Armstrong number. Let's run this code. Enter the number 407. So here output is 407 is an Armstrong number. Let me try for another number. So run this code once again and enter the number 1, 2, 3, 4 for example. So here the output is 1, 2, 3, 4 is not an Armstrong number. And it is also displaying the length of user input number 4. Are you our subscriber? If not, subscribe to our channel to support us. Please do like, give feedback, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to support us. Thanks for watching. Keep coding. Happy learning.